Alright guys, we just rolled the dice. We just rolled the dice for the random teams. It's going to be 5 on the dice. 5. So here's everybody that's in it. Drew 23, Slick Bob, W28, Jeff, Be Nice, collect cards, do not bend. Lob, Slick Bob, collect cards. Lob, do not bend. Lob, 808, collect cards. PTH, New World Order, MMM, Cousin Vinny, do not bend. Do not bend. PTH, Shaheem, Raheem, Gutterfly, Fluffy, Lomo, do not bend. June Junes, PTH, Free Pickles, Free Pickles, Free Pickles. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final time. Dice 5. Fluffy on top. And June June's on the bottom. Dice says 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my spreadsheet. And I'm going to delete all this by pressing the delete button, right? Backspace.
I'm sure you could. Or you can just go press copy and paste over it.
Right. Put that away. Here's the teams. Fluffy all the way down to June Junes. Copy and paste. I go here. You can tell I don't mess with all this crap.
Just paste and that shit put everybody.
Paste. Fluffy on top, Slick 2, Free Pickles, collect cards, MMM, New World Order, W28, Be Nice, collect cards, Shaheen, PTH, do not bend, Lobo, PTH, 808, Drew, Lobo, collect cards, Cousin Vinny, Gutterfly, Lomo, do not bend, Slick Bob, Lomo, do not bend, Jeff, PTH, do not bend, Free Pickles, June. File, save as.
3-box mixer, 128.
3-box, 128.
15.
15. Save. You can't use numbers. 3-box mixers. 3-box mixers. Today is what? Wednesday. There we go.
All right.
On to next business. The teams. 5 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final time. Good luck. And well, let me just copy. But the Giants is number 1, and that's the list going down.
Ooh, Fluffy got a chance for Odell Beckham Jr.
That's the list right there, everybody.
And you can take this here and move it over that way.
Alright, there we go. We got Fluffy with the Giants. Slick Bob, Buccaneers. Free Pickles, Chiefs. Free Pickles, Bengals. Collect Cards, Steelers. MMM, Redskins. Titan goes to New World Order. Panthers goes to W28. Ravens go to Be Nice. Collect Cards go to Lions. Shaheem goes to Packers. PTH goes to Panthers. Do Not Bend goes to Eagles. Do Not Bend goes to Broncos. Lamo goes to Texans. PTH Falcons. 808 Rams. Drew 23, Saints, Lomo Jets, Gutterfly Chargers, Lomo Cowboys, Do Not Bend Dolphins, Slick Bob Raiders, Lomo 49ers, Do Not Bend Jaguars, Jeff Bills, PTH Seahawks, Free Pickles Colts, and June June's Bears. Alright guys, y'all can go ahead and trade and all that good stuff if y'all want.